In this video, I'll show you how you can update all drivers on Windows 10 or Windows 11. First step is you want to come here and search for Device Manager. Now in here you'll be able to see all your drivers and you can just select one. So let's say you want to do for your GPU, you want to click on Display Adapters, right click on your GPU and press Update Driver. Then choose Search Automatically, and as you can see I already have the best one. If you want to update the driver for your keyboard, you can just select here, go to your keyboard, update driver, and you can do the same with your mouse, update driver, and you can do it with everything in here. For your GPU, I also suggest you download the software to your GPU. So just Google your GPU name, not mine, but Google your own GPU name, and then type software. In my case, it's the NVIDIA one that I downloaded. And in here you can go to drivers, click up here, check for updates, and download. And then you have the latest NVIDIA driver as well. So that's basically how it works. You can do the same with your audio, my microphone. I can update the driver. But just keep in mind, for most of the gaming equipment, like a keyboard, or your GPU, microphone, mouse, there's most likely a software to it. So I suggest downloading the software. So in my case, I have the Yeti Classic. So I would just Google Yeti Classic software, and that is the Logitech G Hub that opens up. So just keep in mind that you should download the softwares for your gaming equipment, and that's basically how it works, guys. Now I also suggest you come here and search for Windows Update, and you just take the latest update just to be sure. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as that helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.